What's up, party people? Your boy Tito. We in the gym, and I got it to myself, at least for now. I see one or two people come by every now and then, but I'm trying to get some of this, well, actually not the turkey, some of that other sugar off of me. All right. Yeah, that's right. That's only five reps. And I'm gonna do that about till I get to about 40 or 50. My left hip a little sore, and that's what my motto: do what you can. Sometimes you can't do the same thing that you usually can do, and I probably could. No, I know I could, but you gotta kind of, especially the older you get, you gotta pay attention to your body a lot more, and that's what I try to do. But that's something I'm just kind of doing some of those, doing some knee ups, get on the bag a little bit. Actually, I've been kicking it, doing a few things, see all that. But anyway, I'm gonna go up here, go up there, get on the spin bike since nobody's there. Yeah, y'all, I like these days. Nobody's here. It's about, what time is it? About 4 or something? Yeah, anyway, day, be blessed, y'all. Peace.